First of all, you need oil, you need coal that is in the grill, you need the grill, you need knives and lighter. And also you need to collocate the napkins and the coal with the same form, and we need to wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. You need to puff air with this dish that I mentioned in the first, with this form. I didn't mention that use this material because it's important to have a good food. I need this to collocate the different form and puff with air with this plate, with this dish for 3 minutes. This part is essential to puff the air because it's a part of more space. You need to be strong. And finally, only collocate the it's important, but it's more important that start with sausage. This is the explanation. You need to cut all of the sausage. Okay, this. And put into the grill with a cut, 3 cuts for one sausage. The grill is aggressive. You can put water for reduce the aggressive of the grill. Well, when the sausage is formed, you need to cut at the middle and open the sausage and collocate it. And the same for the other sausage. And after to end the grill, we need to keep the onions and put this part. Put the meat in the part. Then the fire is not increased. Be careful with the part fried because being increased in this part the fire.